created mankind, whether man has been corrupted, or if they follow him. God treats mankind as cherished ones, or as man might say, his dearest kin. Mankind is no plaything for him. He is the creator, and man his creation. It seems that rank is different, but all God does for man goes far beyond their relationship. God loves mankind and cares for it and shows man due concern. Tirelessly he gives to mankind, never feels its extra work, nor feels he needs the credit there. He feels not that saving mankind, but supplying them and giving